Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. I'm standing outside one of our completed fix and flips. This is one of our low budget fix and flips. We'll walk through it, show you everything. Bought this for $80,000, which is incredibly cheap for around here. We'll be listing it for around $175,000, and again, it'll be the cheapest house in the area for sale at that price, fixed up or not. So we'll show you some reasons why it's going to be so cheap and walk through the house here soon. Of course, make sure you check out investformore.com for more information on my flips, rentals, our podcast, all that good stuff. This is a roofing company right next to it. Some other industrial, small little mobile home park across the street. So this is one of the lowest priced areas around here. That's part of the reason why this house is so cheap. And it's also one of the smaller houses we've done. You can see the before video in the description if you're watching on Facebook in our comments. But it's just a 1-bedroom when we bought it, and we ended up making it a 2-bedroom. This was all one room before, so we added this wall, which it looked like it had a bedroom here in the past, and someone took out that wall and made it a bigger living room. But put in the closet, some newer windows, paint, flooring. We redid the kitchen. You can see we need to raise that up a little bit. That microwave's too close to the stove, so we'll get that done. There's the second bedroom. When I bought this house, it had tenants in it, so we did have to go through a process of getting them out. We offer them cash for keys, money to leave early. They're on a month-to-month lease, so we could evict them, and we actually went through the eviction process, but they ended up leaving before we finished that process. They would not contact us. We stopped by here, left notes, tried calling, and they just did not respond at all to anything we did. They had really cheap rent, and I guess they didn't want to leave, although we would have paid them to leave a little early. Oh, my phone looks like it's got some weird stuff going on. But here's the bathroom we completely redid. And that's it, that's the house. So it is tiny, not very big. Let's see, in the backyard, this fence was falling down, so we put it back up, added that fence back there. The garage was kind of a shack, so we re-sided it, put on a new roof on the garage and house, put on a new garage door. See the back of the house here. I think we ended up spending, around $20,000, maybe just a little bit more for this. We had one of our own employees, our handyman, do the work, so he's very affordable to do work for us as opposed to a contractor. But the downside is he's a little slower, just one man doing it. Oh, there goes the door shutting. But that's the house. That's it. We'll also have probably $15,000 in carrying costs, closing costs as well on this one, and we'll get it listed here. It probably will have multiple offers right away, like most of our houses in this price range, and hopefully we can get it sold quick and move on to the next one. So that's the property. Short video today for a small house. And we'll have some more coming up soon. We've got a couple more houses we'll be finishing up here in the next week or two. And then we also have some more properties under contract to buy as well. So April 30th, I'll be buying 3 more properties. So we'll have some more videos coming up with new purchases as well. All right, thanks for watching. Hope everyone is enjoying the spring wherever you're at. And we'll be back with some more videos soon.